Welcome to Career Guidelines Excel Advanced Training Program. In this session, you will learn VLOOKUP function with multiple use cases. We will show you how you can use the normal VLOOKUP first. Then we will show you how you can use the VLOOKUP with the partial lookup value. As well as we will show you how you can use the VLOOKUP with the match function, and we will show you how you can use the VLOOKUP to calculate the grades. So let's flip to the Microsoft Excel to see the practical examples. Here we have this Excel file wherein we have the employee name, sales and the profit. Now on the basis of employee name, we want to get the sales from this table. So we can use here normal VLOOKUP. Just type here VLOOKUP and lookup value will be the name. This is the value. On the basis of this we want to search the sales from this table, comma. Then we will put the table array. Table array will be column A to B. You can select this range like this, and then we need the second column. So we can put here comma 2. In the last, the range lookup you can put 0. That is for the exact match, and just close the bracket and hit the enter. We are getting here the sales of the person which we have put the name here. If you take another name and you put that name here, you will get the sale for that person. Okay, now this was the normal VLOOKUP. Now I will show you how you can use this multiple names. We have here more names and we want to get the profit here. So we can use the VLOOKUP, and let's take this lookup value, comma, and we can select this range because we need the profit. Now because we are taking this range and we are not taking the whole column, so we have to freeze this range. We will select this range and we'll press F4, and we will take here 3 because we want to take the profit. So put here 3 comma 0 and just close the bracket and hit the enter. We have here profit. Just fill this down. Okay, so we have filled the profit here, and we can see the profit is coming here on the basis of the name. Whatever name is here, we will get the profit of that person only. Okay, we are fetching the sales or the profit on the basis of complete name. What if we have here first name or the last name? Then how we can fetch the sales? We have here first name. You can see this person name. We have here this first name. Now I want to fetch the sales of this person. So how we can get that? We will use here VLOOKUP. In the lookup value, first we will select this person name, and in the inverted comma we will put this asterisk sign. Okay, so we will put here the first name range, then and ampersand, and this in the inverted comma this asterisk. We are taking the first name in that case. Okay, starting with comma, the table array we can select this whole column or this range, it's up to you, comma 2 comma 0, and just close the bracket, hit the enter. We are getting the sale of this person, you can see here. Okay, now let me show you. Let's say for this person I'm copying the first name and I'm pasting this here. I'm getting the sale of this person also. Alright, now but if you take the last name of this person, let's say I'm putting here last name, this is showing the has any error. So that means it is not working in this case. So how we can get the rid of this problem? Now because we know this is the last name, so we will put this asterisk sign in the starting of this name, put asterisk end, and then just remove this inverted comma and then just hit the enter. So we are getting this sales here on the basis of last name also. Alright, so when you are not sure this text is available in the last or in the starting or in the mid of the text, then you can put the asterisk sign both side like this and just hit the enter. We are getting here sales on the basis of this text. It could be available anywhere inside the name, like it can be in the first name, middle name, or in the last name. It will give you the result because we have put the asterisk sign both side. Alright, so this was the VLOOKUP with the partial lookup value. Now I will show you how you can use the VLOOKUP with the match function. We have here name and we want to fetch the sales. So let me put here VLOOKUP. This is the normal VLOOKUP. Take this range comma, select table array. I'm taking the whole table array, comma. I'm taking this for the sales. I'm taking 2, comma 0 and just close the bracket. We are getting here sales. But what if I will type here profit, but still I'm getting the sales here, right? This is not the profit. This is incorrect. So as I type here profit, this should be changed to the profit automatically. And how it could be changed? We have to change this 2 with the 3. Now this is the profit. So that means this number has to be dynamic. And how we can make this dynamic? We have already seen it inside the match function. If I will use, let me show you separately first. If I will use the match function and I'll take the lookup value, this one, and I will put this range, comma 0. I will get the position of this column. If I'll take here sales, it will return 2. So that means I can link this number with this cell. So we are getting here sales. If I type here profit, this is the profit. So we don't need to take it separately. We can copy this match function from here without equal to, and in place of this h2 we can paste this here and just hit the enter. So we are getting here profit. Now if I'll type here sales, we are getting the sales. So we don't need this column. Okay, this is working. So that is how we can use the VLOOKUP with the match function, and you can make it dynamic. On the basis of the header, it will fetch the result. Okay, even if here you type the employee name, then it will give you the employee name. Okay, because this is dynamic now. So I'm putting here sales, so it is giving the sales. Now we will show you one more example how you can use the VLOOKUP to calculate the grades or the buckets. So let's say here we have the student name and we have the marks. Now we want to calculate the grades on the basis of this table. We have already seen in the previous nested if function how to calculate the grades using the nested if, multiple ifs. But here in this case we will use the VLOOKUP function. Okay. So we will take a support column here, and that support column we will put here 0 because less than 50 is the 0, or we can sort this table first. So let's sort this by the grades in the descending order, Z to A. Okay, so the highest grade on the top, but that is for the lowest number. So I will put here 0, then I will put here 50, then I will put here 60, and then I will put here 70, and this will be 80. And here we will take the 90 or greater than 90, or even you can take 91 also because that is greater than 90. Now we will use the VLOOKUP here. So let's use the VLOOKUP, and we will take the marks and we will select this range. Okay, we will take the first column also, then freeze this, press F4, comma, we will take here 3 because our starting column is column P and we need grades on the column R, the third column, comma. In the range lookup we will use the approximately match this time, and we will use the true. So you can see here approximately match is the value in the first column of the table array must be sorted in the ascending order. So we have sorted this in the ascending order because you can see the 0 is here, then 50, 60, 70. So this is in the ascending order, and that is the reason we sort the grades in the descending order, because highest grade means the lowest marks. Let's put here 1 or the approximately match or true. Okay, so you can put here true or you can put here 1 and just close the bracket, hit the enter. We are getting here grade C, you can see. Now let's see the grade C. This is 70 to 80. 71 is coming for the grade C. Just fill this down. You can see every grade here. So 54 less than 50 is F. If I put here 50, this is E. If I put here 65, this is D. If I put here 76, then this is C. If I put here 88, let's say, then this is B. And if I put here 92, this is A. Okay. So this is totally dynamic now. So using the VLOOKUP, you can quickly create the grades, because if this list is long, this table is long, it is quite difficult to use the nested if. So VLOOKUP is always better way in place of using the nested if. Alright, so that is how we can use the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel.